Here's a shocking fact. Studies show that over 90% of traders lose money in the long run. Yes, 9 out of 10 people who jump into trading end up with losses instead of profits. So the real question is, why is trading so tough, and how can you avoid becoming part of that 90%? The problem: why most traders lose. Let's break it down. The number one reason is lack of discipline. Most beginners trade based on emotion fear, greed, or FOMO. When a stock spikes, they rush in. When it dips, they panic and sell. That cycle alone destroys portfolios. Second, there's over-leverage. Many traders use margin or options without truly understanding the risks. Leverage can multiply profits, but it also multiplies losses in most cases. Beginners blow up their accounts faster than they expect. Third, most traders don't have a real strategy. They're following tips on Reddit, TikTok, or random Twitter threads instead of developing a tested plan with clear rules. Without a framework, every trade becomes a gamble. And finally, they ignore risk management. A lot of new traders put too much capital into a single trade. One wrong bet can wipe out weeks or even months of gains. The solution: how you can avoid losing. So how do you avoid falling into this trap? Step 1. Master. The best traders don't chase every move, they wait for high probability setups. Remember, patience is also a position. Step 2. Always use risk management. A simple rule: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single trade. This way, even if you're wrong multiple times in a row, you live to fight another day. Step 3. Have a trading plan. Define your entry, your stop loss, and your exit target before you click buy. If the trade doesn't match your plan, you don't take it. Step 4. Focus on consistency, not jackpots. Forget about doubling your money overnight. The pros build wealth by compounding small, consistent gains while keeping their losses small. And step 5. Keep learning and track your trades. The best traders treat trading like a business. They analyze what worked, what didn't, and they adjust. Here's the truth: trading isn't easy. If it was, everyone would be rich. But by controlling your emotions, managing risk, and following a disciplined plan, you can avoid the mistakes that 90% of traders make. So ask yourself this: do you want to be in the 90% who lose, or the 10% who actually build wealth? The choice starts with your mindset and your process. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical financial content. And drop a comment. What's the biggest challenge you face in trading? I'd love to know.